Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to brush straight line in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, select the brush tool, select any color, right click with hardness or without hardness. First I will use without hardness, press enter, hold shift, then straight line, hold shift, straight line, hold shift, hold shift, hold shift. Okay, and with hardness, right click, press enter. Click anywhere, then hold shift and again choose anywhere, hold shift, apply the same process. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.